Hey, this is Dan with Golden Boys Painting and Staining, here to bring you another product review. Today we're going to be talking about the difference between the thickness of a roller cover. There are many different options out there, but it's really important to pick the right one for the job. So usually what you'll see is 3/8 inch, ½ inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch options. The old rule of thumb goes, the thicker the roller cover, the more paint it will hold, but the heavier texture it's going to leave on your walls. So we always suggest when you're painting your interior walls is to use a 3/8 or a ½ inch roller cover. This is going to provide you with the least amount of texture and also give you the best looking finish on your walls. For exterior or very rough surfaces, we suggest a ½ inch or a 3/4 inch. These are going to hold more product within the roller cover and also apply a thicker amount of that product. So what that means is you're going to cover it faster and it's going to fill those gaps and voids that you're concerned about when you're working outside. This has been Dan with Golden Boys Painting and Staining. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips, tricks, and how-tos.